Technetium.
The Throngler is another robot that I've fought before, and it did not end well. It has a very nasty disc, and it is very well driven.
Yeah, this is the first time we're seeing the number 3 ranked Throngler today up against Imitations, which we've already seen at least once.
It is very hard to fight the Throngler because it has a mid-cutter in the back, but forks in the front, so it can attack you from different angles, and it's very hard to approach.
Very durable as well.
Mm-hmm. Red bot in the red, blue bot in the blue, because everything is right in the world. All right.
I got the thumbs up, so this fight will start in 3, 2, 1, go!
Throngler starting with those forks to get under the wedge if it can.
Yeah, it really wants to use that and then kind of spin around and hit the sides with its spinner when it can.
And that chassis is very low on Imitation, so that disc on Throngler may not find the best impacts.
Though there is some opportunity to go weapon on weapon with that horizontal versus vertical. Some big sparks always possible.
Shot.
Yeah, good hit there. Imitation currently inverted. Oh,
you do not want to get hit there.
Yeah, allows Throngler to get a big hit on the backside of Imitation.
And those forks working wonders right now.
Yep, Throngler pushing Imitation around, gets a pin up against the wall, showing that it's both an active and control bot, depending on what it needs to be.
Both robots still fully functional. Now that we have about a minute to go.
Throngler trying to use those forks to push Imitation around the arena. You can hear those spinners spun up.
Those forks just playing a wonderful game right now.
Yeah, definitely doing a great job of keeping its control elements pointed towards its opponent and only bringing out that spinner when it has an opportunity to get a good, strong hit.
And it always swings it around to the side and gets a very nice shot.
Yeah, goes
weapon on weapon there.
Yeah.
Imitation's drive working, but a little bit intermittent on one side.
True, but it did get a few good hits in there, kind of coming back a little bit.
Nasty shot.
Sends Throngler up into the ceiling.
That armor may be bowing, but it still has that very effective dual disc spinner.
Throngler getting behind Imitation and pinning it into the blue corner. There are 10 seconds remaining in the fight as they release from the pin.
Showing some very good control there.
Imitation wanting to get some last-second hits. Throngler doesn't want to allow it, and that's time!
And that's your match.
Time in the round.
Very well driven by both bots.
Yeah, excellent fight from both bots. It will be fun to see both of them later in the competition. But only one can move on in the winner's bracket. And the winner is Throngler. Throngler will continue on in the upper bracket.
That very creative robot.
Imitation will be continuing on in the lower bracket. I got the thumbs up, so once we have 2 minutes on the clock, there it is. This fight will start in 3, 2, 1, go! Horizontal versus vertical spinner. We've seen this all day with big sparks and big hits.
Who will get the first impact?
It looks like Flashbang accidentally inverted itself on one of those turns. Gave Throngler an opportunity to sneak a hit in.
And now they are fork locked. There's not much either of them can do.
Big hit there, sends both into the walls.
Throngler getting a nice swing and then a follow-up shot.
And
then taking
Flashbang.
A shot to the wall and another.
Yeah, Flashbang gets it corralled in the corner and is able to take advantage and get a couple big hits in.
Very crazy shots to both of these robots.
Both of them appear to still have their weapons running, though. A testament to their durability.
And the drive is still functional as well. Flashbang getting another pop. But Throngler stuck against the wall.
Yeah, Throngler was up on its side for a little bit there. Made it very difficult for it to dodge out of the way. A good bounce there. Sends it right into Flashbang's weapon.
Knocking chunks around the arena now.
Yeah, both these bots have sent up quite a few sparks. Flashbang doing a great job of popping up the Throngler. Some good hits there, though.
Another pop.
40 seconds remaining in the fight. Flashbang charges in, gets a good shot on the side of Throngler. Throngler trying to keep that weapon forward, wants to get another good hit on the side of Flashbang if he can.
Big shot.
Oh,
And now
Throngler up against the wall. Flashbang giving no quarter, immediately chasing it in and continuing to smash into it.
Throngler just trying to be aggressive at this point, trying to rack up those damage points that it's losing.
Yeah, both these bots definitely continuing to be aggressive through the whole thing, but Flashbang definitely getting the bigger pops. Only a couple seconds left in the fight.
And that's your fight.
That's time. Yeah, time in the round. This one
Very good fight.
This one will go to a judge's decision.
And your winner of that last match was Flashbang.
Flashbang will continue on in the winner's bracket. All right.
So stay with us.
Yeah, Throngler ranked 3 on the red side. Mothership ranked 22 on the blue side. 2 minutes on the clock. I got the thumbs up, so this fight will start in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, Mothership spins up and goes for a box rush, but that wedge is just in its way.
Yeah, Throngler replaced its forks with the wedge, giving it a completely different armor profile. Still has that horizontal spinner on the backside that it wants to kind of spin around and use to hit its opponent once it has it in a good position.
That wedge is incredibly solid, but when you take a shot to the weapon like that, that is not good.
Yeah, minute 30 remaining, a very big hit there.
The wedge is solid, but that weapon stack is much less so.
Both these bots jockeying for position. Both of them want to get a good hit on the correct part of its opponent. Throngler able to pin Mothership up into the corner. Goes for a hit with the horizontal spinner, but doesn't quite get it.
Now inverted, that wedge means nothing. Gets popped.
Yeah, definitely is going to need to recover and reorient. It is still able to drive in this configuration and still has that horizontal spinner at its advantage, but that wedge is not nearly as helpful.
Good shot to the side armor of Mothership.
Yeah, sends that into the wall.
But that is very solid TPU on Mothership. It will absorb
weapon
a lot
to
of
weapon.
hits.
You can see bits and pieces flying off of the bots as they chip into each other with their weapons. Ooh, big sparks there.
Another good shot, and Throngler's back upright.
Yeah, Throngler's
taking
upright,
shot after shot.
but still going through it all. Sends Mothership to the other side of the arena.
These bots are not stopping.
Oh, no. Yeah.
One drive side on Mothership has, though.
Yeah, and Throngler, even though it's getting popped up, isn't getting flipped. 10 seconds remaining. Last second impressions. One last big hit to be had. You can hear those things spin up. Oh, sends Mothership into the wall.
And again.
And that's time!
Last
time
impressions.
In the round. That was a fight in multiple phases. Throngler came out strong. Mothership flipped it over and got some big hits, and then Throngler got righted and came back with some hits of its own.
That's going to be a close one.
Throngler is your victor via judge's decision.
The Throngler versus Wicked Wedge. The rank 2 versus the rank 3 Beetle.
This is in the lower bracket, so this is an elimination match. Throngler on the red side, Wicked Wedge on the blue side.
To the winner goes the spoils.
Well, continuation. Spoils are still a few matches away.
That's fair. All right. Robots
2 minutes
are in their
on
corner.
the clock. I got the thumbs up, so this fight will start in 3, 2, 1, go!
Box rush from Wicked Wedge.
Throngler in its fork and horizontal configuration. Wants to get onto the sides of Wicked Wedge.
Wicked Wedge mainly focused on that horizontal spinner by using its wedge configuration here. I don't blame him.
Yeah, definitely trying to control the match, keeping its wedge towards Throngler. Throngler definitely moving around faster, but is kind of trying to make sure that it can get a good hit.
Shaving part of the graphic off of that poor giraffe's face. It has taken quite the beating.
Gets a bit of a pin there, doesn't hold it for the full 5 seconds, but throws
Tosses
Throngler into the wall. Yeah. Minute 20 remaining. Throngler still trying to get a good grip onto something other than just that metal wedge.
Throngler starting to use the forks and swing around at the side of Wicked Wedge.
Wicked Wedge throws Throngler into the wall.
This is a very measured match by Wicked Wedge right now.
Yeah, Throngler does use the forks to get a good push and shove Wicked Wedge into the wall.
A little bit of gyro nonsense right there.
Yeah, a little bit of a handstand. Gets another bit of the graphic off of the front, but that isn't really going to be considered real damage.
Throngler really trying to get around to the sides at this point. That wedge is just giving him nothing.
Yeah, 38 seconds remaining in the fight. The forks are allowing it to push Wicked Wedge a little bit, with Wicked Wedge definitely doing a good job of keeping itself pointed towards its opponent. Pushing Throngler into the wall. Throngler is looking to get at least one big hit, really define what it's trying to do this match. Wicked Wedge is not giving it an opening.
Absolutely not.
Wicked Wedge pushes it into the red corner and then up
Bouncing
against the wall.
around.
10 seconds remaining in the fight.
Not giving Throngler an inch on this fight.
Yeah, a lot of glancing blows, but no big ones. And that's time.
And that is your
time
fight.
In the round.
Very well driven by both competitors.
Yeah, this one is going to go to the judge's decision. And Wicked Wedge gets the victory. So Wicked Wedge gets the victory via judge's decision. And will continue on in the lower bracket.
Right, both robots are functional. Okay, this beetleweight grudge match will be starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's see it. Big roof shot. And another. Almost a third. "30 seconds. Ending in 10. Three, two, one. That's your match. A very good grudge match there. That could have been the finals.